How to synthesize sources.
In this video, we will show you how to link sources together to create a full and clear understanding of your topic. Synthesizing sources can be easier if you follow these steps. 1. Understand the sources. Read each source carefully, highlighting key points and making note of the main arguments and evidence they provide. This will help you identify similarities and differences between the sources and determine their overall reliability and relevance to your research. It also allows you to show what is important to you about the articles or books you have read. 2. Create a clear main point. Your thesis statement should express the main idea or argument of your essay or dissertation. It should reflect the combined ideas from the sources, so don't just summarize them separately. Demonstrate to your reader how the information from articles fit together with your research. 3. Find similarities and differences. Look for common themes or patterns across the sources. Also, note any differences or contradictions. It can help you identify where ideas connect, overlap, or contrast. This way you can also show how some studies have built on the previous ones. Write separate paragraphs that focus on different aspects or perspectives. Instead of presenting sources one after another, integrate them by comparing and contrasting and then combining their content in your own analysis. 4. Provide context and interpretation. Step back and reflect on the broader implications of the ideas from your sources. What do they collectively reveal about your topic? Are there any gaps in the existing knowledge that your synthesis can help address? Share your perspective, insights, and interpretations based on the information that you have given. 5. Stay objective and critical. Evaluate the source. For example, do you agree or disagree with it? Is the source reliable or still relevant? Try to provide a balanced analysis that considers different perspectives. When you look at your sources, recognize any potential biases. For example, is the author hired by a certain company and having interest in a positive presentation of their research? Also, consider possible limitations. For example, has the research been done in certain conditions, limited by sample size or timing? 6. Write clearly and concisely. Use clear and simple language to effectively communicate your ideas. Use transitions and linking words to connect paragraphs smoothly. Try to concisely summarize the main views of the articles to the reader. In academic writing, it is important to be brief and to the point, so you should only present what is necessary. So, remember, synthesizing is all about analyzing, connecting, and contextualizing the information at hand. By combining the strengths of various sources, you can build a more comprehensive understanding of your topic and present a well-rounded perspective to your reader. Good luck!
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you soon!